Everybody, how you doing? You can see we have some money, but okay. Thank you for joining me in my video. Please like the video or me and make sure you hit the subscribe button. And yeah, and comment, say hi to me down below. I've been doing better about comments and see your comments when they pop up. So yeah, come in and say hi and let me know what you'd like to see. I've been getting some really good feedback on some of you when you see my videos, so I appreciate that. Thank you. All the new people out there, thank you very much. I do have several categories on this channel. There's not enough to do to have its own channel, so I just kind of, this is my lifestyle channel. So I do have playlists for budgeting, for planners. I think I divvied them up. If I didn't, they're all in the planner playlist. And then we have a beauty section where I put some of my diet stuff is on there, hauls, beauty hauls and stuff like that. So it's all divvied up. If it's specialty, it'll have its own playlist. Now I think the diet one has its own playlist. And I think the budgeting one also has its own playlist, but it's part of planning. So I just want to explain that to you at first so you all know, hey, why is she doing craft stuff? It's because I have a variety of different interests. And it's all part of my life. I'm trying to get organized and financially and all of that. I still like to have fun. I love to craft and everything. December Daily is coming up. Those videos are going to be coming up. Yeah, so this is kind of budgeting and craft together. So I kind of want to share this with you, and I'm trying to save money. I'm only buying least expensive things if I have to buy it. Otherwise, I'm going to try to make it. So I want to do this cash stuffing envelopes. I did make my own, and I believe you've seen that video by now. And I want to be able to put money in there. So, but like I've said before, my bank charges me if I take money in and out. So I can't do that. I do move it around inside online. So I ended up getting fake money that looks real and using this for what my stuffing is being. But it's actually already moved to the bank, you know what I mean? So it's kind of role play. So anyway, so what this is about, there's my $10 that I'm starting out with to put in actual money, and I do have some more too, actually. I need to go upstairs and get it. So when I do the cash stuffing video, I actually have a mixture. So if I can do it, I will. And if I can't, then I'll do the play money. But it's been moved. So anyway, with that being said, everybody has these plastic trays. Let me take one out. This is real. And they're using these trays for their stuff. Well, I looked on Amazon to see how much they were. Holy crap, I don't think so. I'm not gonna buy that. So I watched, oh man, and I wrote it down. I don't have my notes. I will put it down in the description on who I was watching. Something budgets, I can't remember. But anyway, she made her own with one of the, actually watched a couple of ladies with these like tool separated things. I actually used mine for, this one was for, I have these little teeny punches. So I just put them in my punch bucket because they're little and I didn't want to lose them, so I had gotten one of these. It doesn't matter now, I just put them in that bucket. And if I want, I just bring out the whole punch bin. So this is old. You can tell it's discolored. I don't know if you can tell online, but it's not like bright white clear. And I forgot to grab one when I was shopping yesterday. And I'm like, oh, I gotta have one in my craft stuff. I did. Actually, the first one I had, these went the wrong way. They were this way, and they only went halfway, so they weren't big enough anyways. So I took the cover off, I broke it off, and it's kind of sharp here, so I'm gonna have to remember to be careful when I'm doing this. But I have one of these. You just take the cover off of it, and you can use boxes like jewelry boxes, the long ones for necklaces and bracelets. You can use those and just hot glue them together. That's what another gal did that I saw. And these are the perfect size. But I wanted it to look pretty because it's dingy looking. So I had some of this on hand in my craft stuff. I had what I put around it right here. These little beads are these. This one's yellow, but I did have some of the shiny ones, but they were just the little ones, because they are, you just strip, pull them off and strip. So I just put them around here. I ran out right here. So as you can see, I ran out right there, right here. Next time I go, I will pick up another pack, a couple packs of these when I go. Now, the inside here, I wanted it to be pretty too. I can't do anything on here because they have these little divider things, so they're just gonna have to look ugly. But I have that, so it fits there. But what I use for the bottom is this one, and this one is adhesive diamond wrap. It's a wrap because it's on, I don't know if you can see, but it's on a mesh right here. So the first one I kind of buggered up. I'll show you. I kind of buggered it up. It kind of comes up, and I can go in with an X-Acto knife and cut that. But because it went up to the edge here, so I just counted down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I just did 6, counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and just slit it up. And I figured I'd save the last one for us to do together, and I'll save the extra. Now I've had this for a while, so it took me a minute to get the backing off, because like self-sticking stuff, the glue wants, the sticker part wants to come up with it. So I had to move it. Okay, so I will put this one in. It's not perfectly lined, but you can see. So now it's way pretty. So it'll sit on my desk when I'm ready to do this. I will bring it over and set up my area. So you can see all this right here. This is my craft desk, so it's gonna look like that. So when I do the budgeting stuff, when I get to that point, it needs to look more professional, I think. So I have to do a makeshift area where you don't see this other crud, and so it looks more presentable. That's an upcoming video. I'm still trying to figure it out, because I think I'm gonna have to have my hubby make me a wooden frame, just a frame, and I have a ton of white material that I can just cover it with. So that's what I'm gonna end up doing. That way it'll be more professional, more looking or whatnot. So you use what you have. So I'm using what I have. So I was gonna put in, so here's all my ones. We'll put those there. I wanted to do this. I wanted to take it out of the bag and set it up. Okay, here's the 100. You can tell they're fake. See, this is Chinese thing, and it has the thing up here. So you can tell that they're fake. And I only got one pack, but I think I'm going to end up having to get another pack. So I can do, but this is only, I'm only going to be able to do this like every 2 weeks. So it'll work out, I hope. Okay. There's that. And let's take this off. This off. Okay. And I don't know what to do about this because there's 5 slots and there are $2 bills, but I'm not going to use those. I'm going to put those behind the real ones right there. So so this is what it looks like. Isn't it pretty? It works, guys, and it's pretty to look at. So I think the ones, I'm going to have to make a like little divider thing so I can have the $2 in here too, because if I run out of ones and I need $2, I'll just use one of those, you know. But for now we'll just do it like that. I'll just cut this off right there so it kind of divvies it up. And we'll get rid of the trash. There we go, guys. There's your cash tray. Isn't that cool? It's so pretty. I wish that was real money. I can't take my real money out of the bank, but it looks good. And it'll work for what I need to do and be able to do videos with that. So that'll work out awesome. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. It was fun to do. It was fun to make. It took me a little bit to get it all together, but very easy. Alrighty, I hope you enjoyed. Comment down below, say hi. Yeah, say hi and hit that like button. It helps my channel. I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers, and we have a 500 subscriber giveaway. It's craft related, and so the next one I do will be planner related, because I'm doing each one. So, and then maybe we'll do one that's mixture, has a little bit of everything in it. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it, and I will talk to y'all again soon. Bye now.